Today we are going to use complementary colors to create a nice fall leaf composition. The first thing I need you to do is go outside and find some leaves. That way you've got something to refer back to. So these are my reference leaves that I found right here whenever I went outside. You'll need a blank sheet of paper and some crayons or colored pencils, whatever you have handy. And we're going to start by drawing 3 squares across our page. Now I'm going to use some Post-it notes as a template to make squares, and all I have to do is just trace around those. But if you don't have any Post-it notes handy, you could always just freehand these, or you could even do circles or another shape if you've got something else that you'd like to trace around. Maybe the bottom of a cup or something like that. All right, one more here. I'm going to take a look at these leaves and use my eyes. There we go. You can clean those up a little bit better than I can. All right, so I'm going to look at these leaves and use my eyes to observe what I see. And I'm going to try to draw exactly how I see it. So when I look at this one, I can see that I'm going to start with the center. I can see it's a nice wide fat leaf, and it's almost kind of in a heart shape as it comes up like this. I can also look at the veins, and I see that they almost turn into little Y's at the end of each one. And so I can draw the veins of my leaf as well. Okay, if you have any long skinny ones like this, you might start with a center. I think it's always easiest to start with the center on your leaves. And you can see that these leaves are long and skinny. So not every leaf looks the same. That's why we wanted to collect them, so we could actually observe with our eyes what we see. And my last leaf that I have here has a very scalloped edge. So if I start with the center, I want to go like a zigzag line on the outside all the way to the tip. And then I can add the veins in my leaf from there that I see. Now we are going to color these using complementary colors. So I wanted to go ahead and show you a color wheel one more time, just so that way you knew which ones were complementary. This is a very basic color wheel: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Complementary colors are opposite on the color wheel. And when you use complementary color schemes, it makes those colors pop up against each other a little bit more than they normally would. So the opposite of red is green. The opposite of blue is orange. The opposite of purple is yellow. And you can use those color schemes to color each one. So here's my red-green complementary color scheme. Here's my yellow-purple complementary color scheme. And here is my orange-blue complementary color scheme. And when you see them all together, you have a very bright and vibrant dynamic piece, just perfect for Thanksgiving.